Charlie, today you are a rescue engine. You need to help engines who are in trouble. Yes, sir. Where is the rescue engine? Where is Charlie? Here comes Charlie to the rescue. Thank you. Charlie, my wagon, it's going to fall. Don't worry. Charlie to the rescue. Thank you. Help, I need help. Charlie to the rescue. Don't worry, Gordon, I will help you. Oh, the indignity. Don't worry, Gordon, I will ask for help. What happened, Gordon? It was my fault. I pushed him too hard. Okay, don't worry. We have here someone who's going to help us. Flynn and Butch to the rescue.